Today I'm showing how to fix deep scratches on carbon fiber frame. This is my bike. I dropped it on a rock and you can see a lot of scratches and they're pretty deep. Okay, here I'm gonna use a 400 grit. So just send it out lightly. Next I'm gonna mix this is just epoxy, but it's the finishing resin, is just what I have. So just mix equal amount. Next I'm gonna use, this is a Microlite fairing filler. It makes the epoxy sandable. I'm ready to fill up the scratches. Now just let it dry. Okay, so my filler is dried. Now I'm ready to sand it out. So this is a 400 grit. Okay, and it's ready for cleanup and paint. Before spraying paint, I'm gonna clean it with a little alcohol. This dries quickly. Here, just before it dries completely, I'm gonna take out the masking tape and blend it. Okay, so this is after the repair is done. You can barely see some blemishes, but it's not a big deal. Surface is filled and smooth though, and the color is not too bad. Can't tell a big difference. So here again from this angle. All right.